Hey everyone, it's Clifton Saunders, the branch manager and senior loan officer for the Clifton Saunders mortgage team. Thank you for coming out to my blog. Today, we're going to be talking about the do's and don'ts after getting approved for your mortgage loan. All right, guys, the first thing is pay your bills on time. Numerous times throughout the transaction, I've seen where people, hey, I got approved for my mortgage, and they stop paying their credit cards, stop paying their debts. Don't forget, all the way up until the day you close, your lender has the right to check your credit again. Doesn't happen often, but you don't want to take the chance. So make sure you pay all your credit cards, pay all your bills, and definitely make sure everything is paid on time. If it's on credit, it gets paid. Number two, keep your job. I've had it before. People would show up at closing and tell me they're on vacation. And don't forget, your lender can check and verify your job on the day of closing. So it's very important that you're honest with your loan officer. If you have a job change in the future, let them know immediately. Because changing jobs won't get you denied. It could slow down the transaction, but you could lose the house that you want if you don't have proper communication and let us know what's going on. So job changes are okay, but it may slow down your transaction, so make sure you let your loan officer know. All right, number three is your assets. Couple things to go on over here. Now that you're approved, that doesn't mean spend all your money, all right? You need to continue to save money because you never know. You might find that perfect home and say the seller doesn't want to pay some closing costs or the tax a little higher, insurance a little higher, and you're short $1,000 and now you can't buy your dream home. So even though you may be approved and you may have enough funds to buy that house now, you want to continue to save just in case. I always like to tell my clients it's ramen noodles and macaroni and cheese until you go to closing. No more steak dinners. Now with that said is, when you keep your assets, don't deposit cash. Banks have to verify everything and they have to know where all the funds come from. It can't be all of a sudden I've got a cash gift from my brother-in-law down the road. We have to verify everything. So make sure when you're making deposits into your bank account, they're all verifiable and you won't have any problems at closing. So it's a good idea. Continue to save money. Don't deposit cash. And whatever you do, don't spend all your money. Last but not least, don't be silly, or some people like to use the other S word. When you're buying a house, don't do crazy stuff that can jeopardize your loan approval, like lying to your lender, not being honest with them. I always tell everybody the only time a loan normally gets denied is if someone lies to me or does something silly. So be honest with your lender. Tell them what you're going through, and they're there to help you get through the next road. And I'll tell you a few of the silly things that have come up. People making large cash deposits, kind of silly. Buying that brand new car right before closing. I know it's going to look nice in your new driveway, but wait till after you close. And last, I had this happen several times last year. It's Texas, we're a community property state. Don't get married the day before closing, because if they haven't pulled credit or added your wife's debts or and they have to add her to title and all your legal work, your spouse needs to be added in Texas. So don't get married the day before closing. I know that Vegas trip sounds great the day before closing, but don't do it. At least don't come back married. Hopefully you come back with some money, not cash. But with that said, thank y'all for watching this short video, and we look forward to helping you and your family members close on their next home. Don't forget, if you know anybody who's looking to buy, sell, refinance, or invest in real estate, make sure you forward or share this on your social media, and we look forward to helping your family close on a home in 2018. Thanks a lot, guys, and y'all have a blessed day.